We'll guide you through how to set up your Wix domain hosting with ease. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and sign in to your account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard of the site you want to connect the domain to. Look for the Settings tab on the left-hand menu and click on it. Now, scroll down to find Domains and click on Get a new domain if you don't have one yet, or Manage domains if you already do. If you're purchasing a new domain, type your desired domain name into the search bar and follow the prompts to purchase it. Wix will guide you through the payment process, and once you've got your domain, it will automatically be connected to your Wix site. If you already own a domain and want to connect it, select Connect a domain you already own. You'll be prompted to enter your existing domain name. Follow the instructions to change your domain's DNS settings, which usually involves logging into your domain registrar's website. Make sure to replace the existing name servers with the Wix name servers provided. This step is crucial for directing your domain to your Wix site. After updating your DNS settings, return to Wix and click Verify Connection to ensure everything is set up correctly. It may take a few hours for the changes to take effect, so be patient. In the meantime, you can customize your site further or explore Wix's SEO tools to help your site get noticed. Remember, having a custom domain not only makes your site look professional, but also helps with branding and credibility. Don't hesitate to reach out to Wix support if you encounter any issues during this process. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.